but I've literally been able to add 2.5k per month to my monthly income. So guys, welcome back to the channel. Montel Gordon here. Hope you guys are all doing well. If you're new around here, please drop me a like, comment and subscribe. Make sure you turn on the notification bell because all of that stuff really does help me out with the algorithm. Again, I'm trying to push my content out to more people and help more people. So if you're new, definitely drop a comment in the comment section below just saying you're new, and yeah, just introduce yourself, guys. So guys, in today's video I just want to break down exactly how I was able to close not one but two clients over the weekend that's just gone. So guys, long story short, I've been able to close two new clients for my social media marketing agency in the past 3 days. I'm recording this now on the Thursday, so this was back like almost a week ago now. I believe the first client I closed was last Saturday, and then the second client came through on the Monday. So if my clients are watching this, just shout out to you guys because you two are both of you are amazing clients, like my actual dream clients, guys. One of them is a real estate agent and one of them is like an online lottery type business. I won't, expose any of their names because we've signed non-disclosure agreements as standard in my agency. In the contract template that I give you guys in the full mentorship program, we do 3-month minimums in my agency, and there's normally a non-disclosure agreement in the actual contract. So basically that non-disclosure agreement, or NDA if you will, stops me from revealing their names, unfortunately. But what I'll do is I'll put up some screenshots of the actual proof of me actually closing these clients. No, these are not fake screenshots. Yes, they are real clients. Ask my outsourcer, I'm pretty sure he will let you know in the comments if he's watching this. So guys, in this video I just kind of want to break down exactly how I was able to close two new clients for my marketing agency. So one client actually came through, the first client that is actually came through Upwork. So I've been using Upwork. If you don't know, Upwork is basically a freelance website for those of you who don't know, who may be new to social media marketing and stuff like that. But Upwork is a freelance website where you can go and apply to jobs such as like social media management jobs, social media marketing jobs. And I've just been on there applying to both of those two categories I've just mentioned. I've just been sending out 10 proposals each and every day. It's actually costing me around £8.50 or something like that to send out 10 proposals a day, because most of the jobs are like 6 connects. The jobs I'm connecting to most of the time are like 6 connects each anyway, and 6 connects times that by 10 is 60 connects. 60 connects costs around $10 or something like that, which equates to like £8.50 or something on those lines. So each and every day, guys, I've been applying to jobs that fit my category, that are are well prospected. I'm not just sending out any proposal to any job. And the funny thing is, guys, everybody used to say that like Upwork is for low ticket clients, but this client's actually paying me $1,260 per month. Guys, hold up a second. As I was editing this video right now, I realized that I didn't actually mention that the first client I closed was a lottery client. We're doing social media management for them for $1,260 per month. You see a $630 transaction go through because that client's actually paying me on a split pay. So they pay me $630 twice per 1 month, which is equal to $1,260. The reason why they wanted to do that is because they just didn't want to, they hired me blindly basically. Again, we didn't actually have a discovery call, so what they wanted to do is pay me like $630 for 1 week, and then the week after they wanted to pay me the other $630. I'll throw a screenshot up of the email for those non-believers out there, but yes, as you can see on the screen somewhere around here, hopefully you can see that they're mentioning that they're going to pay me $630 times 2, which is $1,260. So guys, I completely forgot to mention that, but anyway, back to the video. Yes, I closed this client off of Upwork, which you're not actually supposed to do. The only reason why I did that is because Upwork was actually giving us some problems. So the client actually sent me over a hourly job, and I don't actually work on an hourly basis on Upwork. So we was talking over chat, and I'll get into how I closed them and all that sort of stuff in a second. But we was actually talking over chat, and they actually sent me a offer to work with me. So they actually wanted to hire me on Upwork, but basically they sent over a hourly based rate fee, basically. So where I basically have to track how many hours I work and stuff like that. I just explained to them that I don't actually work on an hourly basis. I do fix monthly fees because it's more streamlined for my business, more streamlined for your business and cash flow. It makes sure that I know how much I'm getting paid each and every month, all that good stuff. And it also allows me to bring on board my team, my outsourcer, essentially, because on Upwork you have to kind of like download the app and like manually track how much hours you're working for a client if you're going to do like hourly basis. Don't quote me on that because I haven't actually done an hourly job on Upwork, and I don't ever plan to. I don't think you should be doing that. You should definitely stick to a fixed monthly fee and just keep it as that. I've actually been able to close this client without actually having a discovery call with them whatsoever. Like, I did not have a discovery call with them, and I closed them over the messenger inside of Upwork. So what happened with the first client, guys, which is the lottery business. So they're basically like a lottery type business, quite a big business as well. They posted out a job on Upwork. The thing is, they were completely unverified. They had no payment verified. They had 0-star rating because they haven't actually used Upwork. They were brand new to Upwork. They like all the criteria you'd think you'd want to filter out for. So on Upwork you have certain filters, such as, you know, you can show only jobs that have been posted by people who have a 4-star rating up or a 5-star rating and up, or if they have their payment processor verified. They also were posting this job out on an hourly fee as well. So all the things I used to think you'd want to filter out for on Upwork, because when I first started Upwork, I thought I'm only going on Upwork to close jobs that are $1,000 plus. So I'm making sure that I'm filtering for jobs that are, you know, they've got a fixed fee of $1,000, should I say. They also need to have a 5-star rating. I don't want no hourly stuff, and I want them to be based in the US, UK, or the top 5, the big 5 basically. I believe it's the big 5: New Zealand, Australia, US, UK, and Canada. So I thought those were the criteria I'd be filtering out for. I literally, when I apply to jobs on Upwork, I do not have any filters on whatsoever. I apply to jobs that are hourly, fixed, people who have payment unverified, and have 0-star ratings, and are from other countries other than the big 5. But it just so happens, guys, that this client actually is based out in the US, Texas to be precise. But again, guys, this client is paying me $1,260 per month for social media management. They didn't have their payment verified. It was an hourly job originally, and they hadn't worked with anybody on Upwork before. They have not spent any money on Upwork. So that just goes to show you guys that all the criteria you thought you should be filtering out for is actually BS, and you shouldn't actually be filtering out for anything. You just need to go in there and actually take a look at what the job description is actually saying and see if it applies to you and makes sense to apply for that job, and then actually apply for it. And because this stuff does actually work. And again, just to kill the misconception as there's only low ticket clients on Upwork, this client is paying me 1.2K per month for social media management. I repeat, 1.2K for social media management, not even Facebook ads, guys. So, oh, and it's a 3-month minimum as well, guys. So they signed the contract for the 90-day social media growth program, basically, which basically is a program at my agency where we post content for you, curate content for you, we schedule out all your content, we do hashtag analysis, and we're managing their Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter accounts at the moment, and that's going very, very well. My outsourcer's got Buffer set up. Buffer is just a social media management like tool that you can basically use, and you can basically do a month's work of posting in like one day, and you can schedule those posts out to go out each and every day automatically for you. So all you have to do is spend like 2, 3, 4, maybe 5 hours a day, not a day, on one particular day, should I say, and then that client's work's done for the entire month. 1.2K just like that made. And guys, the second client actually came to me through my YouTube, I believe. So he does watch my YouTube videos. If he's watching this right now, shout out to you. This client is a absolute dream client of mine. Both of the clients I've just closed are actually dream clients. Like, they are very nice people. They do not micromanage. They allow me to do my thing. They allow me to experiment. They allow me to bring my knowledge of social media to their business. I mean, I've grown my own social medias from the complete ground up. I've helped you guys start your own social media marketing agencies. I've got students on top of students. I think I've had over like 40, 50, 60, maybe even 60 students at this point. I've literally got a folder full of like just names of like coaching calls I've done hundreds and hundreds of coaching calls, hundreds of calls in general, guys. So guys, the second client I closed was on the Monday. So I'm recording this on the Thursday. So this was like 3-4 days ago or something like that. They are a real estate client. They are paying me £1,000 per month to do their Facebook ads for them. So again, it's a real estate client, which means I am running their Facebook ads for them, trying to generate them seller leads, buyer leads, first time home buyer leads, all that good stuff. I'm actually quite well versed in the real estate marketing space. I've taken a lot of courses. I spoke to a lot of people in the real estate industry. I've got connections with some big names in the real estate industry because I've reached out to people and I got positive responses essentially. So I do know exactly what I'm doing in the real estate niche. It's actually my favorite niche to get into. I have a passion about real estate. So this is actually a dream client of mine. I believe we're actually going to absolutely kill it for this client. I'm very, very happy that I was able to close this client. So this client actually came to me through inbound. So basically, if you guys don't know, like I normally say on this channel, there's like two methods of really going out and getting clients. There's outbound and then there's inbound. So outbound is when you reach out, which is what I did on Upwork to that other client. So the first client I closed, I just mentioned a couple minutes ago, I reached out to them because they posted a job out and I reached out to their job and applied to their job. Whereas inbound is when a client or a potential client comes to you and sets up a call with you or asks for your expertise. So this client actually came to me through, I believe it was my YouTube channel or my LinkedIn. Don't quote me on that. I believe he mentioned that he actually see me on YouTube. Yeah, I believe it was YouTube. So on YouTube, guys, if you look back on my channel, I talk about real estate and stuff like that in a couple of videos, and I believe that got ranked well, and I believe that he was able to see that video. And below that video, I believe I put my case study link for my agency. He's probably gone through that case study and booked in a call with me. So all the strategies I teach you guys, I use myself, and I'm closing clients with those myself. And oh yeah, I forgot to mention, for those of you who are in the 4-week mentorship program, the exact same cover letter I sent to close that client on Upwork, the $1,260 one, the lottery one, the first one I mentioned, that exact same cover letter I use for that is the exact same cover letter that I actually teach you guys to use in that. So you get a copy of that completely, the exact same copy of that I actually use in my business. So go ahead and use that because it does work. Not only that, but you can close higher ticket clients, so like £1,000 per month plus, or $1,000 per month plus clients, should I say. Getting mixed up here because I know that a lot of you are from America and I'm from the UK myself. Maybe I should just speak in dollars. But with that being said, guys, I have come a long way from, you know, when I first started SMMA, I was struggling a lot to get clients. I didn't really have a system in place. Now things seem to be moving so much more smoother. It's so much more consistent as well with the discovery calls. I'm still setting 3 to 4 discovery calls each and every week. Some of them are inbound, some of them are coming from Upwork. Most of them are actually coming from Upwork as well, guys, to be honest with you. But yeah, still setting calls on top of calls on top of calls. So at this point, I really do believe it's just a matter of time before I get to that 10K per month mark. But I've literally been able to add 2.5K per month to my monthly income. I was already making a good income from home, really good income from home. I cannot complain about the income I was making from home already. And then I've just added on another 2.5K per month onto my monthly income. That's dollars, by the way, 2.5K dollars onto my monthly income, and that's reoccurring each and every month, guys. But guys, I am happy to announce that I do now have 2 new happy clients. I'm happy. We're doing great work for them at the moment. Set them up, onboarded them with the onboarding process that I teach you guys in the 4-week mentorship program. All that good stuff. Went through the onboarding process. Everything's moving very smoothly, coming along very nicely as well. So I'm very excited to actually start working. Well, I've started working with one of them already. The second one, I kind of just had the onboarding call with him, or the strategy session with him, like yesterday. So today is the day where I'm going out and, you know, drawing up ad campaigns and coming up with ideas with my actual outsourcer, making sure that we're all basically on the same page as each other and ready to get these ads ran for my real estate client. But guys, with that being said, if you want to know more or anything like that, just send me a DM. If there's anybody out there who needs one-on-one help, or if you're struggling to set meetings and close clients and whatnot, please make sure you drop me a DM on Instagram, or if you want to speak with me directly, just go below and I'll leave the link to my calendar where you can actually book in a free call with me. Yes, it's completely free and you get to speak with me directly one-on-one. What I'll do is leave the link in the description and I'll leave it in the first comment or something like that if you want to speak with me one-on-one. But guys, with that being said, hope you guys are all doing well. I hope everybody's out there crushing it with their agency as well. Let me know how everything's going for you guys. But my agency is going very, very well. Soon be at that 10K per month mark and I'm really excited to get there. So guys, with that being said, hope you've enjoyed this and I'll see you guys in the next one. Like, comment and subscribe and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.